Hey, if you give me a chance to jump out of the scene next to the chair you're sitting in, I'll be alive just like you.
This will be the final tutorial of this course where we are going to learn how to make a character act in a scene. This is the process used everywhere when acting is animated. It involves expressions, lip sync and attitudes according to the dialogue. Let's get started. Let's hear our dialogue first.
Hey, if you give me a chance to jump out of the scene next to the chair you're sitting in, I'll be alive just like you. Hey, if you give me a chance to jump out of the scene next to the chair you're sitting in, I'll be alive just like you.
We will draw the first pose where our character will be stationary. Please see the video and follow. You don't need to be very detailed with the drawing. There is a reason why this is called rough posing stage. We only need to focus on the clear attitude and clear silhouette. We don't need to make the drawing look good as long as it delivers the attitude clearly. So we have completed our first pose. We will move on to the next pose when he starts speaking. We will add a blank keyframe on the frame 22 using the F7 key. We will copy the head and paste it on the blank keyframe. We will change the expression slightly by changing the mouth as seen in the video. We use the free transform tool to set the pivot point of the head on the chin and rotate the head. Please see the video. We then start drawing the pose. In this pose, we will make him wave his hand as he says, "Hey." We can tweak the hand slightly in the poses to make his hand move as if he is waving at us. Please see the video and follow. We can also write the words of the dialogue besides the pose. We can also put instructions as done above the hand. We have drawn the arrows to indicate that the character is going to wave his hand. It may seem obvious that he is going to wave, but animators have a lot of work, so it is always better to give every instructions, even the most obvious ones. We will move to our next pose now. We will draw the pose where our character is knocking on the screen after saying hey. Please see the video and follow. Please follow the video for the next set of poses. We have completed our poses here. Let's move on to the next part where we are going to time the poses.
Hey, if you give me a chance to jump out of the scene next to the chair you're sitting in, I'll be alive just like you. Hey, if you give me a chance to jump out of the scene next to the chair you're sitting in, I'll be alive just like you.